Alright, today I'm going to cook a little bit of a mushroom Swiss burger, a little twist on that, on Texas toast with bacon. Now let's just get right into it. First thing is going to be the bacon. We got a little bit of, this is a John Morrell hickory smoked bacon. Get this fire going here. We're just going to do one today. Got a little onion. We'll slice that up nice and thin. Got our mushrooms. I'm going to turn the oven on to 425 preheat so I can put some Texas toast in there to get that going. Actually, this has enough for two. I'm going to do two burgers. I'll probably just do one at a time. I don't think my skillet's big enough. I'm going to go ahead and flatten these. Perfect. They're not going to quite be the same size, but that's all right too. I'm going to go ahead and throw a little pepper on here. These burgers. I like pepper. Go ahead and flip this bacon over. Get some crispy bacon going here. We're going to plate this up. This is pretty crispy right here. Let's throw the onions down in there. We'll put a little butter on that. Really make it nice. Ooh, them onions smell good. You see them onions there cooking real nice. Cooking real good. I got my meat right there, hamburger meat ready to throw in the pan. We're going to get to cooking. Pile some mushrooms in there. I'm going to put a little bit of this minced garlic in there. Give it a little bit more of a nice little garlic flavor there. That's good. Get some Swiss cheese out and get that ready. Get this Texas toast. Get that cooking there real good, get it nice and toasty. That bacon is good. These onions are cooking down real nice. Just like to keep them moving around a little bit. You really don't want these to burn. I want them to get golden brown, translucent. The mushrooms are going to soak up all that flavor that's in them onions. You can put a little salt on your meat if you want to. I usually don't add salt too much. Burgers are coming along good. They're almost ready to flip. I'm going to do that here in just a second. There, you can see how nice they look on that side now. They are coming along. They're going to be done before the rest of it's ready. But I'm going to put some cheese on there in just a minute and let it start to melt. Sliced, you can see it looks very juicy, very nice, lovely.